How to use AMI Home Insurance and properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. AMI Home Insurance is one of New Zealand's most trusted providers, but many homeowners make avoidable mistakes that can cost them time, money, or even leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it effectively. One of the most common mistakes is underestimating coverage. Rising construction costs and inflation mean your policy might not cover the full cost of rebuilding your home or replacing your belongings. Regularly review your policy and make sure it reflects your home's current replacement value, including any recent renovations or upgrades. Neglecting liability protection is another frequent error. AMI policies include personal liability coverage, but some homeowners reduce limits to save money. This can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Failing to update your policy is also costly. Moving, renovating, or buying valuable items can change your coverage needs. Not notifying AMI may result in claims being delayed or even denied. Many homeowners also miss out on discounts. AMI offers savings for bundling policies, installing approved security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Overlooking these can cost hundreds per year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce your payout. Always document damages thoroughly, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims advisor. Being proactive ensures smoother processing and faster settlements. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of AMI Home Insurance. Make sure your coverage matches your home's true value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. Doing this ensures your insurance works effectively, giving you true peace of mind and protection for your home.